Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So basically how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll in order to find the account section, which is right here, accounts and sync. Of course, as you can see above it, we've got whole Google section, and obviously you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and sync. So let me tap on it, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on add account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What is quite cool, you do not have to put the full email address. You can just enter the first part of it before the @ symbol. So I highly recommend to do that because it's faster. So right now we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. Okay, now we can tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, and I highly recommend to read it before going to the next step. Just tap on it, and here you've got the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. As you can see, we just got back to the add an account section, so we can go back and again go back. And as you can see here, we've got the Google section right now, and this is the account we just added to this device. And of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it is actually immediately removed from this device. Be aware that if you will have the password, the PIN, any kind of the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to add or remove. So this is how to manage the Google account in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.